Hi, I'm Randy Rabney from theconsciousplate.com. I'm a coach, a chef, and an expert in teaching people how to have the freedom to eat real food without worrying about getting fat. And today, I'm going to show you how to make a healthy calamari. So I'm working here with the bodies of the calamari today, and I just want to show you what it looks like. In advance, I've cut it into rings, which is probably what is more familiar to you. If you're used to ordering like fried calamari in a restaurant, you typically see it like this. So I've gotten my squid pre-cleaned by my fishmonger, and I recommend that you do that as well. And then you just want to take a good sharp knife and you want to slice through the tubes. So today I'm making a quick saute of calamari with extra virgin olive oil and garlic. And the thing that's so interesting about calamari is that you can do one of two cooking methods with it. You can either cook it for a very long time and almost stew it in order for it to be tender, or you can cook it really quickly for just a couple of minutes and it'll still be tender. Anywhere in between, you're going to get this chewy, rubbery thing that you're not going to want to eat. And today we're doing a quick cook. So I have my pan on medium heat, and to that I'm adding some extra virgin olive oil. Now I'm just letting the olive oil heat up, and while it heats, I'm adding to it some cloves of fresh garlic that I'm actually pressing into the oil. And the reason why I'm pressing it is because I find that I get the most flavor. It releases the oils in the garlic. If you don't have a garlic press, it's a great tool. I recommend having one. I love it. I'm letting this garlic get golden brown. If you like a little heat in your food, you could also add some crushed red pepper right now. And you don't want to take it much further, because when garlic starts to burn, it gets bitter. And I'm just going to give this a nice pinch of some unrefined sea salt. And then I'm going to give it a stir to make sure that all the calamari is touching the surface of the pan and that everything can evenly cook. And this is literally just going to go for about 2 minutes. And we're going to watch as it just begins to turn opaque. And when it turns opaque, believe it or not, that's how fast it's ready. That's how it's tender, delicious, and you're going to want to eat it. You take it any further, and it's going to be chewy and rubbery. So here you have it. A very, very simple dish. Sauteed calamari with garlic and extra virgin olive oil. I'm Randy Rabney of theconsciousplate.com, and this is how you make a healthy calamari. Yum.